How many times have you wondered what's for breakfast that's both delicious and healthy? Well, today, we are making Keto Bird with cheese and eggs. Kickstarting the day with a nutritious meal is essential, and our recipe today is designed to do just that. The Keto Bird with cheese and eggs is a breakfast dish that's not only tasty, but also loaded with health benefits. Let's dive right into it. Our main ingredients for this dish are eggs and cheese. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are an excellent source of energy and help keep you satiated throughout the morning. Next up is cheese. We're using a low-fat variety to keep this meal keto-friendly. Cheese adds a delicious creaminess to the dish and is also a great source of calcium and protein. Now let's get cooking. First, we'll need to boil the eggs. Once they're done, peel them and slice into thin pieces. Then, take a slice of your chosen low-fat cheese and place it on each egg slice. The heat from the eggs will slightly melt the cheese, creating a delightful blend of flavors. To round out the meal, serve this dish with a fresh salad. Leafy greens are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they add a nice crunch to the meal. You can also add some whole grain bread on the side. Whole grains are a good source of fiber and can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great addition to a balanced breakfast. This dish is a testament to the fact that a healthy meal doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few ingredients and minimal preparation, you can have a breakfast that's high in protein, low in carbs, and absolutely delicious. Health is wealth, and starting your day with a meal like this not only fuels your body, but also sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Remember, a healthy outside starts from the inside. There you have it. A breakfast that's not just tasty, but also packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. Now let's move on to lunch. We're preparing grilled chicken slices with roasted vegetables. Let's start by talking about what we need for this meal. You'll require some chicken breast, cut into thin slices. For the vegetables, think colorful and diverse. You could use bell peppers, eggplants, and onions, but feel free to include your favorites. Plus, we'll need some olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite spices for seasoning. Now, let's get cooking. Start by seasoning your chicken slices. A dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and a generous dusting of your chosen spices should do the trick. Once seasoned, grill your chicken slices. You're looking for a nice golden color and a fully cooked center. While your chicken is grilling, let's turn our attention to the vegetables. Cut them into similar sized pieces so they roast evenly. Toss them in a bit of olive oil, sprinkle over some salt and pepper, and onto the grill they go. You want them to be tender, but with a bit of a char for that delightful smoky flavor. Now let's talk about why this meal is so good for you. Chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Plus, it's low in fat and calories, making it a great choice for those watching their weight. The vegetables, on the other hand, are loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. And let's not forget about the importance of a balanced lunch. It's the meal that refuels your body halfway through the day, so it needs to be nutritious. This dish provides a great balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, ensuring you have the energy to tackle the rest of your day. And that's your lunch sorted. A meal that's both satisfying and full of essential nutrients. Finally, for dinner, we have an exciting dish lined up. Grilled lamb chops with spinach and garlic sauce. This dish is a perfect blend of flavors and nutrients, promising a satisfying end to your day. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need succulent lamb chops, fresh spinach, garlic, olive oil, and lemon juice. Lamb is a great source of iron and vitamin B12, essential for your body's functions and energy levels. Spinach, on the other hand, is packed full of antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and K, promoting good health and well-being. Firstly, season the lamb chops with your favorite spices. You could use a dash of rosemary, thyme, or oregano for a Mediterranean touch. Let them marinate for a while to soak up all those flavors. While they're marinating, let's prepare the spinach and garlic sauce. For the sauce, you'll need to combine chopped spinach with minced garlic, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This blend creates a tangy and flavorful sauce that pairs perfectly with the rich, earthy lamb. Olive oil adds a healthy dose of heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, while garlic provides a kick of flavor and a range of health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties. Now, it's time to grill the lamb chops. Ensure they reach a medium level of doneness, juicy and tender, yet well cooked. The key is to retain the moisture and flavor while ensuring it's cooked to perfection. Serve the grilled lamb chops topped with the vibrant spinach and garlic sauce. And how about a side of mixed vegetables? They'll add color, variety, and an extra dose of nutrients to your dinner plate. This dinner recipe strikes a balance between taste and health, ensuring you're not compromising on either. The iron in the lamb helps maintain energy levels, while the antioxidants in the spinach support overall health. And let's not forget the healthy fats in olive oil that contribute to heart health. So there you have it. A dinner that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Bon appetit! So those were our recipes for the day, all packed with nutritious ingredients and super delicious. We began with the Keto Bird with cheese and eggs, a protein-rich breakfast that gets you started for the day. Then we moved on to grilled chicken slices with roasted vegetables for lunch, providing you with lean protein and a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. And finally, we wrapped up with a hearty dinner of grilled lamb chops with spinach and garlic sauce, a meal that is not only flavorful but also packed with iron and antioxidants. These are more than just meals. They are a roadmap to a healthier lifestyle. I hope you're inspired to try out these recipes and incorporate them into your daily diet. After all, the journey to good health begins with the food you eat and the choices you make. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey today. Remember, good health starts in the kitchen. See you in the next episode.